truth رښتیا. always speak the truth تل رښتیا وایا. always speak the truth. wake پاسېدل. wake up early in the morning سحر وختي پاسا. wake up early in the morning. alone یوازي. he lives alone in the city هغه په ښار کې یوازي اوسیږي. he lives alone in the city. apartment استوګنځی. I rented a new apartment ما یو نوی استوګنځی په کرایه واغسته. I rented a new apartment. article مضمون. I read an interesting article ما یو په زړه پورې مضمون ولوست. په زړه پورې یعنی دلچسپ. I read an interesting article. artist هنرمند. She is a talented artist هغه یو زیرکه هنرمنده ده. She is a talented artist. attitude چلند. His attitude is very positive د هغه چلند ډیر مثبت دی. His attitude is very positive چلند یعنی رویه. compare موازنه کول. don't compare yourself with others خپل موازنه د بل چا سره مه کوه. don't compare yourself with others. judge تلل. don't judge a book by its cover د کتاب تلل د سر پاڼې نه مه کوه. don't judge a book by its cover. magazine رساله. I bought a fashion magazine ما یو سینګاري رساله واغسته. I bought a fashion magazine. material مواد. This bag is made of strong material دا کڅوړه د مضبوط مواد نه جوړه ده. This bag is made of strong material کڅوړه یعنی بیگ. meal خوراک. We had a delicious meal مونږ خوندور خوراک وکړو. We had a delicious meal. method طریقه. This is a simple method to solve the problem دا د مسئلې حل کولو یو اسانه طریقه ده. This is a simple method to solve the problem. neighbor گاونډي. My neighbor is very kind زما گاونډي ډیر مهربان دی. My neighbor is very kind. professional پیشور. He is a professional doctor هغه یو پیشور طبیب دی. He is a professional doctor. profit ګټه. The company made a good profit ادارې ښه ګټه وکړه. The company made a good profit. quality معیار. This product has high quality د دې مصنوعاتو معیار اعلی دی. This product has high quality. shape شکل. This table has a round shape د دې میز شکل غوڼ دی. This table has a round shape. space خلا. She is always interested in space science. هغه تل د خلا په ساينس کې دلچسپي ساتي. She is always interested in space science. Space ځای. There is not enough space in the room. په کمره کې کافي ځای نشته. There is not enough space in the room. Stair پوړی. He climbed the stairs quickly. هغه ژر په پوړو وختو. He climbed the stairs quickly. Symbol نها. The heart is a symbol of love. زړه د مینې نښه ده. The heart is a symbol of love. Thin نری. She looks very thin. هغه ډیره نری ښکاري. She looks very thin. Blood وینه. The doctor checked his blood. طبیب د هغه وینه وکتله. The doctor checked his blood. Burn سوځیدل. Be careful. Fire can burn you. پام کوه. اور تا سوځولی شي. Be careful. Fire can burn you. Cell خلیه. The human body is made of cells. انسانی وجود د خلیو نه جوړ دی. The human body is made of cells. Contain لرل. The bottle contains water. بوتل اوبه لري. The bottle contains water. Correct صحیح. Your answer is correct. ستا ځواب صحیح دی. Your answer is correct. Crop فصل. The farmer grew a good crop. بزګر فصل ته ښه وده ورکړه. بزګر یعنی کسان. The farmer grew a good crop. Demand غوښتل. The workers demanded higher wages. مزدورانو د زیاتې تنخوا غوښتنه وکړه. The workers demanded higher wages. Equal مساوي. All people are equal. ټول خلک مساوي دي. All people are equal. Feed مړول. She feeds the birds every morning. هغه هر سحر مرغۍ مړوي. She feeds the birds every morning. Hole سوری. There is a hole in my shoe. زما په پیزار کې سوری دی. There is a hole in my shoe. Increase سیوا کېدل. Prices have increased this year. سکال نرخونه سیوا شوي. Prices have increased this year. Lord مالک. The lord of the castle is very rich. د قلعې مالک ډیر شتمن دی. شتمن دی یعنی مالدار دی. The lord of the castle is very rich. قرضداري کېدل. I owe him some money. زه د هغه لږې پیسې قرضدار یم. I owe him some money. Position مقام. He is in a high position at work. هغه په کار کې په لوړ مقام دی. He is in a high position at work. Raise اوچتول. He raised his hand to ask a question. هغه د سوال د پوښتنې دپاره لاس اوچت کړو. He raised his hand to ask a question. Spend لګول. I spend money on informative books. زه په معلوماتي کتابونو پیسې لګوم. Strange عجیبه. I saw a strange man. ما یو عجیبه سړی ولیدو. I saw a strange man. د دې نورو ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو دپاره د چینل PE Everyone سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل د آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ. نورې چې کومې ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو به ترې په وخت خبریږئ. Thanks for watching.